Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do a deep comparison between GitHub Copilot and Claude AI. As you know, AI coding assistants are taking over, but which one is better, GitHub Copilot Agent or Claude AI? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. GitHub Copilot Agent is built specifically for developers. It lives inside your IDE and helps you write, fix, and understand code in real time. Its biggest strengths are super fast code autocomplete, deep integration with VS Code, strong at debugging and explaining errors, understands your whole project context. If you are someone who spends hours coding, Copilot Agent feels like having a silent coding partner who speeds up development and reduces repetitive work. Now, for Claude AI, is more general purpose assistant. It can code really well, but it also excels at writing, brainstorming, analyzing long documents, and complex reasoning. Its strengths include handling large inputs and detailed tasks, great at natural language explanations, useful for planning, research, and creative work. Claude is ideal if you want an AI that does more than code and can support you across many different workflows. So in conclusion, Copilot Agent is best for pure coding. Claude is best if you want a versatile or around AI. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.